bagong edukasyon. Candon City Division, tara na!
A happy and healthy day to you, our beloved learners, and to you, supporting parents and guardians. We gladly invite you all to Tirad Pass Network, DepEd Candon City, Escuela, the haven of wisdom towards excellence and progress. I am Teacher JR, and I'll be your teacher for today's episode in Grade 7 Mathematics. Are you ready to learn? That's great. Let's get started. For our most essential learning competency, the learner illustrates well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, null sets, cardinality of sets, union and intersection of sets, and the difference of two sets. For today's episode, you are expected to first identify the ways to describe a set, and second, describe and illustrate the members of a set and the cardinality of a set. First, let us have a review about notations and symbols of a set, and sets and subsets. Identify the meaning of the symbol or notation presented. You are given 3 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? Alright, let's begin. For number 1, it is the universal set. For number 2, the null set. Number 3, set F is a subset of set A. Number 4, set F is a progress subset of set A. And number 5, A is a set that contains the element A. Given set A that contains the elements S, E, and T, list down all the possible subsets of set A. You are given 15 seconds to list down all the possible subsets of A. Possible subsets of set A are S, T, T, SE, ST, ET, SET, and the null set. Let us now discuss the ways to describe a set. There are 3 ways to describe a set. First, the descriptive method. Second, the roster or the listing method. And the third, rule or the set builder method. The first method to describe a set is the descriptive method. It is a method wherein you simply describe what is inside the set. Examples: set A contains all the even numbers from 1 to 20. So what are the descriptions of the elements of set A? The elements are all the even numbers from 1 to 20. Second, set B contains all the distinct letters of the word Philippines. So what are the descriptions of the elements of set B? The elements are all the distinct letters of the word Philippines. And third, set C contains all the 3-letter word that starts with S and ends with P. So what are the descriptions of the elements of set C? The elements are all 3-letter word that starts with S and ends with P. The second way to describe a set is the roster or the listing method. It is a method wherein you list down all the elements of the given set. Examples: set A contains all the even numbers from 1 to 20. So what are the elements of set A? Set A is a set that contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Letter B. Set B contains all the distinct letters of the word Philippines. So what are the elements of set B? Set B is a set that contains the elements P, H, I, L, E, N, and S. And letter C, set C contains all the three-letter word that starts with S and ends with P. So what are the elements of set C? Set C is a set that contains the elements sat, set, sit, and sot. And the third way to describe a set is the rule or the set builder method. This method is similar to the descriptive method, but it follows a certain format, which is read as the set that contains the element x, such that x is a or an, followed by the rule or the description of the set, and that symbol is read as such that. Examples: set A contains all the even numbers from 1 to 20. Using the rule method, we have set A is a set that contains the element x, such that x is an even number from 1 to 20. Second, set B contains the distinct letters of the word Philippines. Using the rule method, we have set B is the set that contains the element x, such that x is a distinct letter of the word Philippines. Set C contains all three-letter word that starts with S and ends with P. Using the rule method, we have set C is a set that contains the element x, such that x is a three-letter word that starts with S and ends with P. Let us now discuss the members of a set. The members or objects inside a set are called elements of a given set, and the symbol epsilon is read as is an element of. Examples: set N is a set that contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the given example, 1 is an element of set N, which means 1 belongs to set N. 3 is also an element of set N, which means 3 belongs to set N. Now, is 0 an element of set N? 0 is not an element of set N, which means 0 does not belong to set N. What about 7? 7 is not an element of set N, which means 7 does not belong to set N. Let us now talk about the cardinality of sets. It refers to the number of elements contained in a set. The symbol used to refer to the cardinality of set A is denoted by a small letter n, followed by the name of the set, enclosed in parentheses. Examples: identify the cardinality of the given sets. Number 1, set A is a set that contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Let us now count the number of elements beginning from 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, the cardinality of set A is 10. Example, set B is the set that contains the elements P, H, I, L, E, N, and S. Let us now count the number of elements beginning from P. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the cardinality of set B is 7. And the third example, set C is the set that contains the elements sat, set, sit, and sot. Let us now count the number of elements beginning from sat. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, the cardinality of set C is 4. Now, what is the cardinality of a null set? Let us look at this example. Set D is a set that contains the element x such that x is a prime number less than 2. Since there is no prime number lesser than 2, then D is a null set. So the cardinality of D is 0. Let us now have a recap of today's episode. Today, we will talk about 3 ways to describe a set. First, we have the descriptive method, wherein the elements of the set are simply described. Second is the roster or the listing method, wherein all the elements of the set are listed down. And the third is the rule or the set builder method, which follows a certain format, which is read as the set that contains the element x, such that x is a or an, and followed by the rule or the description of the set. Next is the member of a set. Each element is a member of a given set. We also discussed cardinality of a set, which is the number of elements of a given set. Now that you know the three ways to describe a set, members of a set, and the cardinality of a set, kindly prepare your pen and your notebook and let us have some exercises. For your exercises, read and understand each sentence and write your answers in your notebook. For exercises A, find the cardinality of the given sets. You are given 5 seconds to answer each of the following. For number 1, the set that contains the elements A, S, D, F, and G. Answer 5. Number 2, the set that contains the elements 0, 1, 2, 3 until 10. Answer 11. Number 3, set of days in a week. Answer 7. Number 4, set of distinct letters in the word individuality. Answer 9. And number 5, set of all two-digit whole numbers. Answer 90. For exercises B, write the following sets in roster form. You are given 5 seconds to answer each of the following. Number 1, set A is the set of all the positive even integers. Number 1, set A is the set of all the positive even numbers less than 12. Answer, set A is a set that contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Number 2, set B is the set of letters in the word loyal. Answer, set B is the set that contains the elements L, O, Y, and A. Number 3, set C is the set of the vowels in the word combination. Answer, set C is the set that contains the elements A, O, and I. And you are given 10 seconds to answer the following items. For number 4, set D is the set of integers lying between -2 and 2. Answer, set D is the set that contains the elements -1, 0, and 1. And number 5, set E is the set of all prime numbers greater than 1 but less than 29. Answer, set E is the set that contains the elements 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. For exercises C, describe the given set using the rule method. You are given 10 seconds to answer each of the following items. For number 1, The set that contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Answer. The set that contains the element x such that x is an even number from 1 to 10. Sorry. Answer. The set that contains the element x such that x is an even number from 2 to 10. Number 2. The set that contains the elements thumb, index, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. Answer. The set that contains the element x such that x is a finger of the hand. Number 3. The set that contains the elements Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Answer. The set that contains the element x such that x is a day of the week. Number 4. The set that contains the element crust, mantle, and core. Answer. The set that contains the element x such that x is a layer of the earth. And number 5, the set that contains the elements soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. Answer. The set of element x such that x is a type of vocal range in music. D. Write true if this statement is correct, otherwise write false. You are given 3 seconds to answer each of the following. Number 1. N is a subset of N. Answer. True. Number 2. The set that contains the elements 2, 4, and 6 is a subset of the set that contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, and C. Answer. False. Number 3. The empty set is a subset of any set. Answer. True. Number 4. The universal set is a subset of null set. Answer. False. Number 5. The set that contains the elements A, B, and C has 8 subsets. Answer. True. Number 6. 4 is an element of the set that contains the elements 4, 8, and 12. Answer. True. Number 7. Z is an element of the set that contains the elements S, E, and T. Answer. False. Number 8. 1 is not an element of the set that contains the element X, such that X is a prime number. Answer. False. Number 9. Null set is an element of the null set. Answer. False. And number 10. Null set is a subset of the universal set. Answer: true. If you wish to learn more about today's episode, you may visit the following references. That's it. We have reached the end of the lesson. I hope you learned a lot from today's session. Once again, I am Teacher JR, and I will see you again next time. Have a great day.